Hi guys, Dan the Mountain Man here, and today we're doing another Worldwide Treats snacks unboxing. So this is my subscription box. So let's take a look at what we got this time. So alright, look at that, see what we got. Let's see, I think we've already had these before and one before. Those are pretty good, but let's see what else we got in here. We'll wait till later to eat those. Okay. Okay, here we go. Looks like it has coconut. Should be good. And this comes from well, can't read it here. I don't know, man. I guess Serbia, maybe. I don't know. Well, let me go try to eat it here. This looks like it's coconut flavor. So there's the little balls. Yeah, I can't read the thing on here where it's from, but I think that's from Serbia. Alright, let's see here. A little strawberry type stuff here. Yep, honey cakes with strawberry fruit filling. And this is from Serbia. So let's see here. Oh, they do seem to get a lot from Serbia. Ooh, look at that. Oh, chocolate hearts. So that looks really nice. It's okay. Well, just a little bit off on the cherry taste on that one. Alright. Another Eastern European one. Let's see if I can see where it comes from. Oh, I don't know where exactly it's, but can't tell where this is from, but I think it's from the writing on it. It's from Eastern Europe. So that's going to be interesting. It's got a picture of bacon on it, so maybe it's bacon flavored. Well, let's see. Okay, looks like little croutons, thin crouton slips. Wow. Woo. Well, if you like bacon flavor, you'll like these. Oh my gosh. That is just full of it. Alright. Bama peanut puffs. So, and this is product of Israel. So, peanut puffs from Israel. Open here. Let's reach in here. Hey, there we go. Two little puffs. Definitely stuffed lime leaves. Vegan and natural. All natural and gluten-free vine leaves. Okay, this is from Turkey. Little vine leaves. Stuffed vine leaves. Each dreamy comes with brimming plump light rice. Oh, okay. Well, let's give this a try. Definitely a little bit on the moist side here. Oop. Well, it came apart, but kind of like a roll. Not like so sure about that one. And alrighty, now we're getting some smaller snacks. And this, I'm gonna guess, so I can't really see where it's from. The only suggestion I'd have from one of these people is if they put actual paper on there saying where each snack is from. But I don't know. If anybody can tell me what the writing is from, I'm gonna guess from Greece or in that generalized area. Maybe Turkey. I don't know about those stuffed vine leaves I just had. But, alright. Now this thing is good. A little chocolate. Just don't know where it's from. Let me finish that up in a little bit. I'm not going to try it, but there's a little orange lollipop. Yogurt orange. Little fruit berry. This one's from Italy, it looks like. So if you guys can see it. So I'm gonna fruit and, kind of like a little pie thing. They're a little pie cookie. Fruit cookie. That one's good. And I'm not sure where this one's from, but I'm guessing Greece or Turkey. So that we're going to open it up and give it a try. This one's kind of got like a little marshmallow inside. That one's good. Alright, I have no idea since it don't even give you any information on country on this one. So there's this one here. So we're gonna the only thing I could read is rum. I'm just gonna guess it's from Europe somewhere, but it's two little wafers, but they're kind of stuck together, so well, I don't know if you guys can see that, but this definitely has a good flavor to it. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and finish this one up. And jackfruit candy. So this one may be from Asia. So this is jackfruit. Let's see here. Yep, Philippines. Yep, so that's from the Philippines, a jackfruit. I was kind of guessing before I even looked at it, it was from the Philippines, Asia. There, you see that right there? No, it was soft, chewy type. Got a sweet taste to it, but nothing like the not a flavor that pops out at you. So this box had some good stuff in it, but it was kind of disappointing because I've already had these before in a box, so I think this might actually be the third time I've gotten these, and this is my fourth box, third one that I've done a video on. So I am not going to open those right now, although those are good. But okay guys, as you normal, I put a link below on here and in the description, so you can get this subscription box if you'd like to give this a try. Then if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Take time to subscribe to my channel. I have this unboxing for each month. I might switch it out or find another box. We'll see what the next 2 months is. I got next 2 months paid up on that, so we'll see how those will go. So subscribe to my channel and check out some of my other videos. I do taste test videos, cooking videos, and some sightseeing and adventure videos. So I'll catch you guys later.